There are numerous items accessible to license plate screws and caps. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best license plate screws and caps from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Anti-theft license plate screws. These security screws use a unique tamper-proof design. The top of the pan head screw is designed with a hexagonal button head with a thimble in the center, which cannot be installed or disassembled by an Allen wrench. You need to use the anti-theft screwdriver provided by us to keep your license plate theft-proof. Rust-proof car number plate screws are made from premium 100% 304 stainless steel, heavy-duty, sturdy and durable, corrosion-resistant, rust-resistant and weather-resistant. License plate screw kit which we provide include screws, bolts, fastener nuts, screwdriver, caps and washers. 0.14 x 3/4 m 620 mm. Long screws are suitable for the combined mount of tag plate, frame, and cover of most motorcycles, cars, trailers, and trucks. Self-tapping screws fit most domestic cars and trucks. License plate holes that use nylon plastic retainer. We provide nylon plug-ins to adjust the size of the bumper pre-drilled holes. If you have any questions, please let us know in time. We will reply you and solve the problem for you within 24 hours. If you are not satisfied with our product, we will refund you unconditionally or replace it with a new one. Number 2. 8 sets premium stainless steel license plate screws. Fits for most domestic cars and trucks, except Toyota, Honda, Audi, BMW, Tesla. Refund request is accepted in case of not compatible. Premium stainless steel screws protect your license plate and car body from rust. Tighten with foam pad, keep your license away from vibration noise during driving. Premium stainless steel screws APCS, foam pad APCS, screw washers APCS, screw covers APCS, nylon screw INSCRTS optional APCS. Easy installation with simple screwdriver. We provide friendly 24 hours customer service. Please contact us if there is any problem. Easy installation with simple screwdriver. We provide friendly 24 hours customer service. Please contact us if there is any problem. Number 3. Black license plate screws. These security screws are designed to help secure your car's rear metal plate only. Made from mill-certified 18/8 stainless steel for rust-proof protection and saltwater resistance. Oxidized in the US, these black screws feature a smooth paint-free black finish that won't chip, flake or peel. Fits most vehicles that use plastic or nylon retainers. Measures 0.75 in length and 0.25 in diameter. Black oxidized in the USA. It includes a 4-piece pack of pan-headed bolts with a flat head, designed to help you easily secure your license plate to your car. Number 4. 𝐂𝐤 license plate screws. The license plate screws are more secured than universal. License plate security screw has a button head 5-lobe driver design on the head. You can use the matching screwdriver to remove the screws. Ordinary Allen keys cannot install and remove the screws. Lock the license plate firmly. License plate screws stainless are made of high-quality stainless steel materials, which are anti-corrosion and anti-rust, weather-resistant, so that ensure a long time using. 𝐂𝐡𝐞 screws are universal car accessories, will fit almost all American and import cars. Great for cars, trucks, motorcycles and RVs. 4PCS screws comes with other needed accessories, is good for one license plate installation. Our license plate fastener kit also includes adhesive back foam anti-rattle pads, which are supposed to put between license plates and bumpers, in order that you won't hear any noise from scratching between license plate frames and bumpers, to ensure there is no vibration noise. 𝐂𝐤 provides service for our product quality problem. If you are not satisfied with our products, or the screw size does not fit your car license plate, please feel free to contact us. We will solve the problem. No hassle, lifetime service. Number 5. BGMVFK Black Anti-Theft License Plate Screws. The tamper-proof car tag screws adopt a unique safety design, hexagonal Torx button head. There is a special security pin in the center of the pan head screw, which cannot be installed or disassembled by an Allen wrench. You need to use the anti-theft screwdriver provided by us to keep your license plate theft-proof. Rust-proof car number plate screws are made from premium 100% stainless steel, which is one of the highest forms of corrosion-resistant steel. The black license plate screws oxide coating will not peel off like painted screws. Black license plate hardware perfectly decorate your black license plate or car, whether you are looking to get that blackout look or just want the screws to match the color of your car. Our black license plate screws are available with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. If you are not satisfied with our products, or the screw size does not fit your car license plate, please feel free to contact us. We can provide you with a refund or send replacement screws for free. Please buy with confidence.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.